Hi, I'm Sapo, and welcome to this short video on working with slow elements. It's common for elements to load or change state after the main body of the page, or after an interaction. DoesQA has a number of options to help with these, and we'll take a brief look at them now. So we have something to work with. I've created a simple page using Code Sandbox. Element A appears 10 seconds after page load. Element B appears after 15, but also displays loading feedback to the user. Element C is more tricky. The element appears immediately, but in a disabled state. It only becomes enabled after a long delay of between 30 and 60 seconds. Let's start with element A. My flow currently consists of an open node to the correct URL and a check element A is displayed. This test will fail. Pause and wait for are both found under the runner nodes. We can add a pause for 10 seconds, but waiting is generally better than a fixed time-based pause. Let's insert a wait for node before the element check. We can drag it in, double click to open, select the element we wish to wait for, and hit save. Now we will just need to insert this node into the flow in the correct place. Let's run this and take a quick look at the results. We can see it open the page, waited for the 10 seconds we expected, and successfully checked element A is now displayed. Let's look at element B. This one has loading feedback we can use. We'll first expect the feedback to be displayed. We'll then wait for the loading feedback to not be displayed. This is one of the 10 conditions we can wait for. Now we just need to check the correct element is displayed. Element C is always displayed, but just changes its state after a long delay. Now let's add the wait for node. We'll use wait for element to be enabled. Then we'll add our element check. For this we'll select check enabled from the multiple state options. I'll just add the other two examples back in and name the different tests. Now let's run this and look at the results. All three tests ran in parallel and passed. We can see element C became enabled after a total of 45 seconds. That's all for this video. Happy testing!